Ever found yourself scrolling through Coinbase looking for a specific crypto, only to come up empty-handed? Or maybe you've heard about a cool new project like Beam and wondered, can I actually hold this in my Coinbase wallet? It's a common point of confusion in the crypto space, where the lines between a centralized exchange and a self-custody wallet can often blur. Today, we're going to clear up the mystery surrounding Beam and Coinbase Wallet. First, let's address the big question directly. Is Beam tradable on Coinbase? The answer, as of now, is no. You won't find Beam directly listed on the main Coinbase exchange for buying or selling. This is an important distinction to make. Coinbase, the exchange, lists a curated selection of cryptocurrencies that meet its rigorous standards for liquidity, security, and regulatory compliance. Just because a crypto exists doesn't mean it's immediately available on every major exchange. However, this doesn't mean you can't interact with Beam if you're a Coinbase user. Here's where Coinbase Wallet comes into play, and it's crucial to understand the difference. Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody wallet. Think of it like your own personal crypto bank, where you hold the keys, not Coinbase. This is very different from your Coinbase exchange account, where Coinbase holds the keys to your assets on your behalf. So, can Beam be custodied on Coinbase Wallet? Yes, it can. While you can't buy or sell Beam directly on the Coinbase exchange, Coinbase Wallet supports a vast array of cryptocurrencies, including many that aren't listed on the main exchange. This is because Coinbase Wallet allows you to manage assets across multiple blockchain networks. Beam, for instance, operates on its own Mimblewimble blockchain, but it also has versions, like wrapped tokens, that exist on other networks. Coinbase Wallet is designed to be a bridge to the broader decentralized finance, DeFi, ecosystem. It supports various networks like Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, and many EVM-compatible chains. If Beam exists as a token on one of these supported networks, you can typically add it to your Coinbase wallet. How would you do this? If Beam isn't automatically displayed, you might need to add it as a custom token. This usually involves getting the token's contract address, symbol, and decimal information from a reliable source, like CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, or Beam's official website, and manually inputting it into your Coinbase wallet's Manage Assets or Add Custom Tokens section. Once added, you can send Beam to your wallet address and view your balance. The key takeaway here is to differentiate between the Coinbase exchange and Coinbase Wallet. The exchange is for trading listed assets. The wallet is a non-custodial tool that gives you control over your digital assets and allows you to interact with a much wider universe of cryptocurrencies and decentralized applications, including those not directly supported for trading on the Coinbase platform. So, while you might not be able to simply search for Beam and click buy on Coinbase.com, your Coinbase wallet can indeed be a secure home for your Beam tokens, allowing you to participate in its ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.